You left your daughter in the beach with a sibling that's 5 years old alone.
I was watching them.
And she was drowning. Someone had to take her out of the water because she almost drowned and died. Do you understand that?
On April 24th, 2023, in Key Largo, Florida, a Homestead woman left her 3-year-old daughter and 5-year-old son alone on the beach at Gilbert's Resort while she was drinking elsewhere. Officials said a Good Samaritan had to pull the young girl from the water after she appeared to be nearly drowning, and the children were unsupervised at the time. Deputies eventually found the woman, who appeared intoxicated and became belligerent toward law enforcement.
She's right behind you, Will.
Listen, we're like a 5 adults here with 2 of my kids. I just came to take him to the beach.
I understand, but when you're questioning why somebody else is holding your daughter, that means that you should have been there to be holding your daughter.
But literally, we were all paying attention to, like, I was literally just leaving
Well, how
right
could
now.
everybody be paying attention if an honest citizen that don't even know
What is going on right now?
just-
Like, I don't understand what's going on. We were literally
drowned and
leaving
died
right
in the
now.
beach.
In the
You left
beach.
her with a 5-year-old brother, right?
What is going on?
Okay. You left your daughter in the beach with a sibling that's 5 years
I
old
was
alone.
literally watching them.
And she was drowning. Someone had to take her out of the water because she almost drowned and died. Do you understand that?
Listen, I'm a good mom.
Okay, we're not saying you're not a good
My
man.
birthday
I'm not saying you're a bad mom. I'm not saying that you're not a bad mom. I never said that. You stepped away from them.
You
left her
for like 5 minutes.
You left them with a 5-year-old, and
With
she ended up drowning. That someone had to go into the water because she went too deep and she was taken in water and she almost drowned. And people on the beach had to step in and get her out from the water because she almost died. Do you understand where we're at right now?
Where were you at that point?
I'm not saying
I
that you're
was
not a bad
literally
mom.
right
I never
there.
said
I've
that.
been checking on her every 5 minutes. I brought a blanket, I brought water, I brought Coke, I brought everything for them to be comfortable for today. Literally last night was my birthday. Today I'm like, okay, I'm gonna spend time with my kids. I've been with them all day. Like, if that happened for like a second, I'm so scared.
Do you know that if that person didn't step in, she would have died?
I'm not a bad mom. I don't know what to tell you.
I never said that you're a bad mom. But what I'm saying is the severity of what occurred. You
I
stepped away, she
understand
almost
that.
died.
I understand.
Alright?
I know it's for a second. I understand that.
Yes, sir.
So she was at my bar and she had the kids. And the truth is, when the friend got drunk, I think she thought the men were looking after the babies. She literally has had them the whole time. And if she was a shit parent, I would have said so. I'm a foster parent. I foster through Citrus. I'm adopted. I'm very big on kids. She has had them the whole time. And so when her friend was stumbling drunk, these are her friend's shoes. I think it's her shoes. She took her to the bathroom because she's throwing up, you know. So that's. I don't want you to think that she wasn't just not being a mom.
Yeah. So where's the friend at now, or did she leave somebody else in charge?
So she went to go. Oh God, I don't want to cry. She went to go to take her to the bathroom. She's here with her brother and her friends. I think they assumed that the brother and the friend were going to be watching while they were in the women's room because she literally just went. She was not. She's literally been there the whole time, and the kids were with her. I'm not trying to be funny, but they really were. So she wasn't not being a good mom.
Okay. I'll pass that on to my partner.
Okay.
That's her friend's shoes? That's not her shoes.
I would never I'm here with my fucking kids.
Hold on, ma'am. Hold on.
What happened?
Somebody found her
is my
daughter.
friend.
I
This is my
understand
friend.
that. All right. Somebody
What
found her
happened?
daughter in the water drowning. Some citizen, little girl, saw
Is
the
she
baby
fine?
drowning. Yeah, the baby's
Okay.
out. Yeah. She's wondering why somebody else is holding her daughter, and you're trying to tell her you were not there for her. That's why another citizen, a bartender, a waitress, is holding your child. Why doesn't she know that a citizen is not holding her child?
Yeah. Can I talk to her?
Just give me 1 second.
But I came to tell them that you guys took your friend to the bathroom,
Yes.
and in that moment, that's all it was. Like it wasn't. She was in.
Who was in charge at that time?
Look, I went with her friend, and she was concerned. Like, if you just, where's her daughter? Can I make sure she's okay?
Yeah, she's with Sergeant Benedetti. He's over there underneath
Can
the
I
tent.
go over
Yeah,
there?
you can go over there.
Okay,
Yeah.
thank you. Stay here, okay? Calm down.
He's the bartender out at one of the tiki bars, and he's sticking up for her, saying all the time she's been with her child. She always been there. She's not drunk. She hasn't been doing anything. What happened was they were walking a drunk friend over to the bathroom. So she kind of left the kids there alone, thinking the two other men were going to take care of the kids while she walked the drunk friend to the bathroom. So he's defending her as a bartender, saying she's been with those kids all the time. This was just one of the incidents. She walked away thinking that the men are going to take care of it and watch the two kids, you know. But so she did. She walked her friend when they said she left 15 minutes ago. That's what she did. She walked over to meet the bathroom. Now this lady flashed a badge in my face. I didn't read it. She just wanted to know what's going on, but apparently they're both friends, you know.
Let me talk tomorrow because the statute has to be like 15 minutes. I have to read the statute. I haven't made one of these cases. I don't got a camera.
Who's your friend here? She showed me a badge. Who does she work for?
She's my friend. She comes from Texas. She became a cop. My other friend is here from Tallahassee. It's my birthday. I just brought
she's a cop in Texas?
Yeah, I just brought my kids here to have a good time. I'm not drunk. I'm not anything. If I lost sight of her for a second, then it was a second. It had nothing to do with me.
But when you walked your friend, you walked your friend to the bathroom?
No, I never went to the bathroom. I was here. I was watching the whole time. I don't even know when the...
I mean, how far... If she was in the water, how far away were you? Were you at the bar?
Literally at the
were you
part
at
right here.
table?
I could see her all the time. Like, my best friend is her godmother. Like, she was like, oh, Ivy's playing. They would come to me every 5 minutes. I put water in his face so he can't tan his eye. Like, we were right there. I don't know what's happening right now.
Yeah.
I'm not a bad parent.
Okay.
Are you available?
You can say anything about me, but I'm not a bad parent. I love those kids. I don't know what's going on right now. I came for them to have a peace day. I work from home. I never leave my house. I'm a great mom. You can talk to them individually, whatever you want to say. I don't care.
And roughly about how many drinks you had? Just one?
Nigga, just three. Not even. I don't even drink like that. I literally don't drink. I work from home. I'm an insurance agent. I work for fucking Medicare. I work for the fucking government. I'm not the type of mom. I don't drink. I don't know what to do. If I was drinking, I would probably act some I don't know, crazy. But I don't drink. I smoke weed. I'll tell you that. I smoke weed some here and there because it helps me with. I'm a single mom. I have 2 kids. I'm alone. But that's it.
Yeah. Did you give the other officer your ID yet or no? You don't have it with you?
No, she has my ID. Listen, I'm with my best friend and the godmother of my kids.
Yeah.
I don't know what to tell you. This is the safest environment they can be in. If she...
I don't... Yeah, I don't speak Spanish, but wait a minute. Okay. Esther, you speak Spanish?
Yeah.
Just speak with her real quick.
A mi hija.
Okay. Just get her name and a phone number for her.
Where's Willie?
Willie's either in the bathroom or in the back beach. Hold on. Okay, just chill. No. The more you argue, the more you're gonna be hyped up.
Nigga, she's acting like she's a fucking superhero.
No, she's
you
not
get what
right.
I mean?
I know,
She's
but
acting
the
like a superhero.
Yeah.
Nigga, if this can happen to anybody.
I understand.
You understand? I give my life for these kids. I don't have any help. My baby dad is a firefighter. He hasn't been there for me. I do it all by myself. I'm struggling. I came here to have a good time because I went to the fucking store to buy them toys, to have them have a good time. You get me? My friends are here from the town. I don't have friends. I work from home. You get me what I mean?
Yeah.
Like, for them to come is a big deal. For this.
All right. You're getting worked up. Just sit down. Take a break. Yeah, take a break.
I'm not a bad mom. I'm telling you, I'm not a bad mom.
Ma'am, stand up for me.
Turn
Bring
around.
you back, all right?
Why am I getting a fucking arrested for? What am I getting arrested?
Child neglect, ma'am.
What? What child neglect for what?
Hold your phone for that.
I love my kids. What are you talking
Relax.
about?
I understand you love your kids. Accidents happen, all right? If it wasn't for that bystander, we'll be doing a death investigation
What are you
right now.
talking about?
This way?
It's my birthday and I came to take my kids to the beach. Like, it was a second. What are
Have
you
a seat, please.
talking about?
Whoa. Watch your foot.
You don't mind watching her, ma'am? Sorry.
No, I'm watching.
It's a cluster.
The woman was arrested and charged with child neglect after deputies determined the children had been left unattended near the water. Authorities said she was taken into custody following the incident, though details regarding bond or release conditions were not immediately released. The case remains under review as it moves through the legal process. Want to watch more videos like this one? Click the one on the screen now.